Good morning, y'all. So first, before I do anything, I need y'all to stop right now, subscribe to the channel right now. Before I even do anything else, stop and subscribe. Like, comment below any other pranks y'all want me to do. So this morning, I'm gonna prank Mackenzie, me and KK. Come say hey, KK. Okay, sorry, we just woke up, y'all. She getting ready for school, but all the pranks that everybody been sending me, it's about eating stuff, and she don't really eat a lot of stuff, so it's kind of hard to make somebody eat some stuff that they don't eat. And my hair is everywhere, so I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put the speaker on the bed and I'm gonna plug it up. I'm going to put some shooting noises off a K-phone on the speaker while she'll, sleep, and see if she gonna get scared. Okay, so be right back. Okay.
Let's here first.
Okay, we're gonna try to do some demonstrations, y'all. Let's see.
I can't see, Mama.
Let's get this one somewhere.
You gotta wait.
Rifle shooting with a difference. Not by sight, but by sound. An electric coil causes oscillation, conveyed to the marksman on headphones. By it, he tells whether he is.
Ron Reynolds says that this gunshot did not wake him up. Let's put this.
No, I need something that's going to start shooting right away.
Gunshots in one of America's most dangerous cities.
Okay, y'all, so we can find some gunshots and we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so we found the video. So we're about to go in there. We gotta set the camera up first and then we go get to the video.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. We're about to start, okay? We got it, yeah.